Before we are start our lesson today, let's sing basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so now before we enter to our material, so let's stand up please. Okay. So now please repeat after me. I have a song. Repeat after me. Open and close, and then clap your hands. Open and close, and then clap your hands. And then roll your hands, and then show your smile, ting ting. And then roll your hand, and then roll your hand, and then show your smile, ting ting. And then roll your hand, and then roll your hand, and I won't hear your laugh, ha ha ha. And then roll your hand, and then roll your hand, I won't hear your laugh, ha ha. Repeat again, okay. Let's focus. 3, 2, 1, go. Open and close, and then clap your hands. Open and close, and then clap your hands. And then roll your hand, and then show your smile, ting ting. And then roll your hand, and then show your smile, ting ting. And then roll your hand, I want to hear your laugh, ha ha. And then roll your hand, I want to hear your laugh, ha ha. Okay, so our lesson today is supposed you to know about the wildlife in Indonesia, and then you can talk and describe the characteristics of wildlife in Indonesia. Specifically, is the kantan. Okay, so I have a write about brainstorming. Then you have to fill the blank about the wildlife in Indonesia. So the example, one of wildlife in Indonesia is the kantan. So you have to write down the others of the recording. Okay? Are you understand? Yes. Okay, so now please.
Manita, what are you reading? Bekantan. I think I'm going to talk about this primate for my science project next week. Cool. It's the reddish brown monkey with a long and big nose, right? Yes. And Bekantan is quite big. Its weight is about 6 to 22 kilograms and its height is around 55 to 76 centimeters. Interestingly, its tail is almost as long as its body. What a tail! Hey, look! The book says Bekantan is proboscis monkey. Pardon? What monkey? Proboscis monkey. It means a long-nosed monkey. An interesting name, but hard to say. It also has another name, Nasalis larvatus. Wait, I should take notes. Bekantan is a type of primate. Its common name is proboscis monkey. Right, thanks. Proboscis monkey. And its scientific name is Nasalis larvatus. Bekantans are from Borneo, right? So, we can find them in Indonesia, Malaysia, and Brunei. Yes, but we can find them mostly on the Indonesian side. Really? Yes, that is why Bekantans are used of the icon of Banjarmasin, South Kalimantan. Well, I believe we can find these monkeys in Borneo forest. Right, specifically in mangroves. You know, mangroves are a type of rainforest that meet the sea. So, Bekantans live in mangrove trees. Yes, they like spending most of their time in trees. See the fact, Bekantans are grouped as arboreal animals. Say again, arboreal animals that eat, sleep, and play in trees.
Have you done? Yes. Okay, so please fill the blank and forward. Come forward. Turn through this. Use field number 8.
Yes, absolutely.
Next group, please. Come forward, come forward. Good. Okay. So, let's see your answer. Bekas mention the habitat. Okay, nice. Octopus. And next. And then mountain from the mountains. Okay, nice. Then the group.
Don't different
The
direction.
okay, nice. So please say to Bahlil. Okay. Okay. So maybe that's all our lesson today. But I have an assignment for you all. So you have to find or name the animals that exist in Indonesia. Like before, like badak, harimau, or others. And then you have to explain the characteristic. Like bekantan, before the characteristic is have a big nose. So you have to explain about other wildlife of Indonesia. Then you have to mention the habitats. So before the habitats of of bekantan from where? Borneo. Okay, nice. Okay, thank you so much for today. I hope you understand